Right here is the showstopper, this braid right here, because you can wrap it all kind of ways and come up with a whole bunch of different things. Alright guys, hey guys, this is your Black China doll coming in today with a wig from Naquit. Okay, and it is the Illuze wig. Okay, your very own Illusion virtually undetectable lace front wig. Okay, so I filmed this before and just didn't work out, so I'm gonna try it again today. Here is the wig. Okay, here is the wig. Okay, here is the wig here. You guys can see it. Okay, it comes with tape on the back there. Alright, now I've cut the lace already because like I told you guys, I've tried this before and it didn't work. Now the first thing I want to say is this braid is really messy. I mean, it's cute, but it's messy because the hair is coming out of the braid. So you probably want to cut that stuff off. Okay, here is the wig, lace, and 2 combs in the inside. Now what I can say, this cap is really small. Okay, really small. So you probably want to, okay guys, okay, so this is how I would wear this wig with the braid wrapped around, because unless you tape it down, it's just like all of these flyaways, and it doesn't look neat. But the good thing is it doesn't have to be neat, because you're trying to go for a effortless look. You're trying to go for that whimsical kind of thing going on. So I mean, this is how I would wear it. Of course, these are like the baby hairs. You'd have to sweep them up under there so that you can't see them. Or, you know, you can put the baby hairs down and just wear it down. But in this case, I think it looks better without it. Okay, so let me turn around. I just pinned it up, guys. I don't know what it looked like. But I just pinned it up under there. Okay, so this wig would be something that I would wear with a, you know, like a dress, something really girly, you know what I'm saying? Something that I could, you know, wear some drape earrings down or whatever. Something like that. I think this would work really good with. Okay. Now, it's just that the cap is so small. It's hard to work with. So if you don't have a really peanut head, it really kind of don't work. Okay. So, but I like it. I like it, you know. I think this would look good at a wedding, you know. Yeah, this would be good at a wedding. can dress it up, little pearls or something in there, you know, something like that. Okay guys, I was just coming in to show you this wig here. It's a really hard one. This is not for beginners. If you just now starting a wig out, this is not it. And even if you took the hair down and just took the ponytail out, it still wouldn't be really a beginner wig because it's so small. You have to really know how to get it to adhere to your head. Okay guys, alright, this is your Black China doll coming in today with Illuze illusion wig, so that it looks like a ponytail or whatever you want it to look like. Okay guys, alright, I'll check you later. Remember, be safe out there in these streets, be kind to one another, and try your best to stay out of trouble. Bye.